Hello, my beautiful people. How are you all doing today? My old subscribers, my new subscribers, you all are welcome. God bless you richly in Jesus' name for coming here today. Without wasting much of your time, I'm going to be showing you a technique that's in your kitchen, a beauty mask that you don't know, or maybe you've not used it. I'm going to be teaching you today in your kitchen. It's very good when you have breakage in your face, when you have dullness, when you have roughness, when you have weakness in your face, when your face look older than your age, when your face is not glowing, when your face is so skewed. It will make it brighter. It will make it good, look so good. What am I talking about? That you have been ignoring is in your kitchen, but you are not using it. All the beauty products home, they are using it, but you are not yet using it. What is that? It's palm oil in your kitchen. Palm oil is very good for your face. Face mask, to be using palm oil. When you are using palm oil too in your face, on your face, you are going to testify, guys. Anything I bring here is real. If you have not been using it before, try to be using it. So without wasting much of your time, how can you use palm oil on your face? You can take it raw and rub it all over your face. If you want to lighten your face a little bit, you can add it with turmeric. This is turmeric. You can add it with turmeric. You can add it with you can add it with baking soda. So this is baking soda. You can take a spoon of this and mix it with baking soda, but don't use it too much with baking soda because it can bleach you and make you white. And with turmeric, is very good, guys. If you have a face that is darker than your neck in your body, use it and you are going to testify. Use it with turmeric. Turmeric is very, very cheap. You can see it in any supermarket. You can see it in any supermarket. So what we are going to be doing now is to take our palm oil. It's very thick because of the weather. So this is palm oil. This one is palm oil. So this one is turmeric. This is turmeric. So I just take this turmeric and add it into the oil. You just mix it together this way. You can add olive oil on your face like that and it's so good. Sometimes I don't put turmeric. Sometimes I don't do turmeric. But if you know you stress too much, your face is weak, your face is not kind of glow and it's so dull, you add turmeric. So the next thing is just to take it and apply all over your face. So before you apply on your face, you have to wash your face with water and just dry. Your lips too. You apply it everywhere. It's going to clear everything away. Okay? All the masks that I'm bringing here, the one you can afford to use, grab it. You can even be using all of them. Okay? Treat your face. Pamper yourself. So this way, after rubbing it, I have to leave it for 15 minutes. But if, for example, like in this area where my hair is, you push your hair or you use your net. I'm going to be pushing my hair because definitely I normally put water on my hair. And it's very good for your hair. It's very good to moisturize your hair. Use it for your hair. You're going to testify. It's very good to moisturize your hair. It's very good, guys. So if you want me to teach you how to demonstrate it on my hair, you want me to demonstrate it on my hair the way you use it, just write it down below. I'm going to make a video of it. But it's not difficult. Just for you to screw the oil and be rubbing it on your hair and cover it with your cover. You're done. So guys, this is it. This is just it. So good. Don't forget your eye area and don't go inside your eyes, okay? Your lips and all. You leave it for 15 minutes. Like if I'm not going anywhere now, I can leave it for 30 minutes and just be doing other things. So after 15 minutes, I'm going to wash it. You remember I told you I use this soap, Africa Black soap. That is what I use to wash my face. So, and if I don't have Africa Black soap, I go for Dudu Osun. If you've not seen those videos before, go down below. You're going to see it, okay? So if I didn't see no Dudu Osun, nothing. I go for Dove. So I have it all. So that is it, guys. And you can use it with all-purpose flour too. Palm oil with all-purpose flour, the flour you used to bake in your house. You can just put it and mix it with the flour and rub it on your face. Guys, this thing we are saying is not a joke. Just rub it and be seeing the results. You are going to your face is going to glow. A lot of beauty hubs use this for their face, use it for their hair. So you use it for your hair and be using it for your face. Don't do something once and just say no. Don't be lazy about your body, your face. Your body is the temple of God. Maintain it. You can use it. Anybody can use it, okay? You can use it and it will be good and you're going to testify. So I'm going to be waiting for 15 minutes. I'll go and wash it up. So guys, this is 15 minutes now. I'm going to go and wash it up, rinse it up with my Africa Black soap. If you don't have Africa Black soap, you have to do soap, you can go for it. Any soap you have, you can go for it. But me, I love Africa Black soap. Lovely. Let me wash it up. And when you are doing this, guys, you have to wear shirt that you know you don't care about. Even though it's 10, you wash it up. It doesn't really matter. Okay? So guys, I just finished washing my face, as you can see. So I'm through with washing it. Wow. You see that? It's good to maintain your skin, not with costly things, okay? Don't be 40 and look 60. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to my skin. If you want to know how I do it, put it down below. I'm not going to be showing you guys. Just put it down below. I'll show you, okay? Everything natural is in your kitchen. There's still little oil, you see? So that is it. The next thing I'm going to be putting is my syrup. If you want to know how I make my syrup, put it down below. Natural things are so good for you, but if you don't know, you will tell that you don't have money to buy those costly things. Let me tell you one thing, those natural things are in your kitchen. So that is it, guys. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, this is olive oil. I love to soak my face with olive oil when I finish doing my routine. And when you are rubbing your skin, don't rub it down, rub it up. Oh. Under your eye, a little bit massage with olive oil. You are good to go. You are good to go, guys. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Just try it out and give me your result, what you feel about it, okay? I know you are going to love it. Okay, guys, bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, press the notification bell, share. What you want me to teach you that you don't know about, just put it down below, because in this channel we're going to be doing a lot of things, okay? Thank you for being here today. You are blessed. Your home is blessed. Everything about you is blessed in Jesus' name. Take care of yourself. Bye. So subscribe, like, and share. Press the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload. This oil, you can use it all over your body. You can use it on your hair. You can use it on your face. It's very good. You can use it in everything you are going to do. This oil is very rich, especially your skin. It's going to remove all the dullness. It's going to remove all the impurity. It's going to remove everything. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I love you all. Take care of yourself.